Anyone who's deeply involved in the tech world has surely heard of the terms big data, data science, and machine learning. Today, the world is sitting over a data goldmine. IBM maintains that every day we create around 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. A quintillion is a billion times a billion. However, one question that data professionals have to put up with time and again is, what's the difference between data science, machine learning, and big data? Are they overlapping fields? Are they poles apart? Let's break it down for you. First, big data. It's not your conventional data. Big data encompasses all kinds of data, that is structured, semi-structured, unstructured, and is based on the three fundamental pillars, or the three V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Machine learning is a discipline under data science that imparts and empowers machines to think and act for themselves. In other words, ML technology enables computers to learn from patterns and behavior and act accordingly without any human intervention or without being explicitly programmed to do so. Finally, we've come to the root of it all: data science. Data science is a discipline that utilizes a combination of mathematical, statistical, and computational tools to acquire, process, and then analyze big data. Thus, big data and ML fit right into the broader canvas of data science that takes into consideration the entire concept of processing data of a large size. Now that we've managed to simplify it a little bit for you, let's tell you how to pick between these fields. If you are someone who's equipped with exceptional programming skills and are also well versed in big data infrastructures, you should opt for a career in big data. Big data encompasses roles like big data engineer or big data architect. If data structures, algorithms, and mathematical models interest you, ML is the perfect career option for you. Companies are always on the hunt for talented machine learning engineers who can work with algorithms to transfer data into actionable insights for an enhanced customer experience. If you are aiming for something more ambitious, like playing with a vast amount of data and getting valuable insights from them, go for data science, as it is all about extracting meaningful insights and patterns from large data sets and visualizing them into data-driven business decisions. We hope this gave you some clarity on what each of these fields entail and how you can go about picking the right field for you to make a successful career in. If you like this video, please share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get regular updates.